Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install OptiFine in Minecraft 1.21.4. Let's get started. First, make sure your Minecraft is closed. Next is open any web browser and search for OptiFine 1.21.4. Then click the official OptiFine downloads page and select the correct version of Minecraft 1.21.4. And after that, double click the OptiFine file, and if it doesn't open, make sure you have a Java installed on your computer. Simply search for Java download, install it, and then reopen the OptiFine file. When the OptiFine installer appears, click the install and wait for the confirmation message. After that, open the Minecraft launcher. Then, go to Installations and you should see OptiFine 1.21.4 in the list. If it doesn't appear, close and reopen the launcher. Then select OptiFine and click play, and once the game loads, head to Video Settings to access all OptiFine features. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.